Hello everyone and welcome back. So I'm not sure if you saw, we did part 1 of opening up my winter sowing jugs. Unfortunately, I was not able to do part 2 the next day on Friday because it was just downpouring super early. No worries, we're gonna open up some more now. I did close them up because we got another 2.5 inches of rain, can you believe it or not, in one day. So I did run out in the pouring rain, close them up. I know that they would have been fine, but because we were getting such a downpour and some of my seeds are so small, I didn't want to risk anything happening to them or getting any kind of like waterlogged or damaged. So I did just push them all together. I didn't have to re-duct tape them, and then that way the lid stayed closed. So we're going to open up some more. I'm going to get my small perennial garden over by my greenhouse planted hopefully today, and then tomorrow do the large perennial garden. And hi, if you're new here, my name is Kristy. I am located in Massachusetts, Zone 6A, with an average last frost date of May 15th. And we did open them up about a week early, which is totally fine. You can open them up as long as they are about 2 inches tall and they have at least 1 or 2 sets of true leaves. We can go ahead and plant them out. So we're going to do a mixture of some video and pictures so you can see how everything did. I did count that there was at least 16 or 18 jugs that had absolutely no germination. I left them back here, and then I have a big pile over off to the side. So out of all of them, I had about 16 or 18 with absolutely nothing, but that's okay. No worries, because all of these were successful, and for the first time winter sowing, I am absolutely thrilled. So I'm going to show you some little clips and then I'm going to get planting. All right, we have some butterfly weed. I had 3 sprout, so I will take it. A lot of my milkweed and butterfly weed or common milkweed germinated super late. We have a few Shasta daisies, and you can see how waterlogged they are even though these were closed. We have some more black-eyed Susans, and some are actually still sprouting. I have a few hollyhocks. It was a mixture. So 2 germinated. I have red yarrow. I am super excited to add some yarrow to my perennial garden. We have pink palm and white swan coneflower. So we have a few more of the white and then a couple of the pink palm. We have some Summer's berry yarrow. Super excited about any of the yarrow that I have germinating. Some cardinal flower. Look at all of that. Holy moly. That's a lot. Next up, this is my farm share Rebecca. And the sun's coming out. Oh my gosh. This will go up front. Sweet Williams fuchsia. I'm so excited about this. I have a lot of Sweet Williams that I started. We have a few yellow yarrow. Now, as you can see, these ones just didn't make it. They got kind of scorched, unfortunately, when we had a very warm day, and I did not open them. We have some salmon rainbow coneflower, and then this right here is red coneflower. New England purple aster. We have a handful of those. Let's see what else I can find. I have some of my coneflower I harvested. This, I plan on doing a ton of coneflower around my vegetable garden. We have more coneflower that I harvested from my garden. Now we have some anise hyssop. Super excited about this one. I showed one earlier where there wasn't much germination. This one surely does, and I'm not sure what this is. It looks like a totally different leaf, but I could be totally wrong. Canterbury bells. I have some of this growing inside, but I do have some more for a spiked variety, hopefully, because I am just so limited with having kids and I don't want any toxic plants. So this one I had 2 I mixed in by accident. So luckily there's a few different leaves. So we'll have this as well to plant in. Perennial black-eyed Susan. I got this from my garden. Oh my goodness. And this is all perennial, which is awesome. All right, and I know that was a really quick part 2, but I'm just too antsy right now to get planting. So I will show you where I plan on planting some things now. I'm gonna put some anise hyssop. I'm probably gonna be putting my cut flower and some black-eyed Susan. So I'm gonna do some weeding and then I'm going to plant here. So we are working here today. I have 2 peony bushes and some irises and a little peony over there, and then all this space I plan on filling up. I want my cup flower in the back because they get super tall, along with a wall of bee balm, and then I'll have some anise hyssop over here, and then I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do on these lower ends over there. So let's get to it. And here it is in all of its glory. So we can say I have too many flowers and a great success with winter sowing, and I cannot wait again until next year.